Our services propose for $200 million stock market quotation, and in sport, the Chinese women's gymnastics team come second in their qualifying round at the World Gymnastics Championships. We'll be looking at those stories in detail very soon here on the Beijing Hour. Now with the time at 2 minutes past the hour, and for the latest look at the weather, with Peter and Silvestre.
Hello, Mark. First, we take a look. Beijing will be clear tonight with a low of 11 degrees Celsius, so it's safe to go and get the long sleeves out. But tomorrow we can expect another sunny day with a high of 22 degrees. Meanwhile, in Shanghai, it will be cloudy tonight with a low of 18. Tomorrow will also be cloudy with a high of 25. Chongqing will be clear tonight with a low of 19. Cloudy tomorrow, though, with a high of 30. Elsewhere in the world, staying in Asia, Islamabad will have thunderstorms and you can see a high of 27. Kabul will be sunny at 23 degrees. Over in Australia, Sydney sees slight rain, 19 degrees. Canberra overcast at 17. Brisbane will be sunny at 32. And finally, Perth will be sunny with a high of 21.
I still think those Australian temperatures should be going the other way.
Yeah, it's the southern hemisphere summer coming.
That's right.